You know, there are a lot of keyword tools out there. Some are expensive, some tools have unnecessary features even. We are not even using them. So this keyword chef tool is a brand new tool designed only for keyword research, right? So you know, if you have a new website, if you want to start a new website, you should start from the beginning, right? Because your website has no authority, no backlinks, no content. So you should target low competition, really low competition keyword, right? So if you are going after big keywords and you know your website doesn't go anywhere anyway. So this keyword chef tool, keyword chef SEO tool, developed by Ben Adler, and he's a blogger as well. So he's doing niche websites, and he has on Facebook group as well, and so that's a good thing, you know. So when we do something, we know what we need, right? Okay, we think like, oh, I wish if I have this feature, I wish if I can just do like this, it will be a lot more easier. So that's why, so Ben knows, okay, this is what we are looking for, so this is what we need. That's why I like this tool, because it's designed only for keyword research. And you know, like I told you before, you need to go after user generated content. I mean, you need to see so Reddit and Quora and forums, like user generated content. So these are weak SERP results. It's not a secret anymore, right? So I did a video about like 30 minutes video, how to rank a new website. I have explained in this video everything. You can watch it from here. So let's go to the keyword chef tool, and here is my keyword chef review. Simple looking website, right? It's not like really complicated stuff, you know, like other keyword tools. So of course you need to buy more credits when you want to do more keyword research, for sure, but it gives you 1,000 credits for free, right? So you can use these 1,000 credits to check or test this tool, right? And I will show you. You need to click on buy more. It's shows you how much you have to pay to buy credits. There are three packages: 20, 100 and 250, right? So it works like keyword everywhere tool. So also works with credits, right? Keyword chef tool showing 4 boxes, right? So clear search intent, right? Smart wildcard. So that means you can use this best some other keywords for chefs, right? And can you cook, and this, so asterisk, and then in the oven. That is a real cool feature, right? And other one is automatic saved report. So whatever you use, whatever you do, it's saving in your report. So all the keywords you are checking, it's saved automatically, which is a great thing. And in my opinion, so this is the most coolest feature. So real-time SERP analysis. So keywords have forums and other user-generated content, right? So now it's not a now it's not a secret anymore. So everyone, not everyone, but most of beginner SEO people also using this method to find some low competition keywords. So this is a cool feature. And so bottom of the page there are 4 tabs, right? Not tabs. So want a peek, best and blah blah blah. So best for chefs, pizza crust. So when you click this one, don't you don't have to be scared to click this stuff, it's not going to cost your credits with this, right? So when you click this, so I will show you. So I have 934 credits with keywords chef tool at the moment, right? So if I click, let's say this one, and it opens a new tab, right? So you can see I still have 934 credits with keyword chef tool, right? So doesn't cost, okay? And yeah, so this is how it looks like. I mean, it's like I said before, it's really, it looks simple, right? It's like easy to understand. And I did one search. So when you go to my report, so I just did it like DJ controller, but I will show you from the beginning. Okay, let's say college student laptop, right? I don't know, it just came to my mind. Okay, so when you click on search, it will take sometimes, I mean, not long. Wait for it. Okay, so this one, so questions, best, compare, most. So these are the keywords. So one keyword cost 1 credit. Okay, so I will cancel this search and I will do a little bit broad one because I would like to show you student lab, just student laptop, and search. Take some times. So now you can see more, right? So this is a cool part, right? So questions, there are 33 keywords. So best, some best with that, best with this, 99 keywords. So compare, 17, how to, so 2, right? So questions, so what is student laptop? How much is student laptop? How much RAM does a student laptop need? So what to look for when buying a student laptop? How much money, sorry, how much memory does a student laptop need? So these are the question types keywords, right? You can see these keywords most of the time with Quora as well. But this tool goes with real-time data and grab this data to keyword chef tool, right? So if I click on best, something like this, right? Best student laptop for data science, and other tab is compare. So you can see, so like or versus, right? So which best for student laptop or tablet? Student laptop versus laptop, right? So gaming laptop versus student laptop. So it's also good, right? And when you click on how to, right, how to get a student laptop, most popular student laptop, most durable student laptop, most affordable student laptop. So these are the main tabs. So 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 tabs. Okay, so I'm not going to click because I don't need this anyway, but I will, it's okay. So I will click on, so I don't need other ones, so only questions. Okay, so I have ticked this and then get keywords. Okay, and this is the other part. So you can save this list, right? So keyword chef tool automatically saving these keywords, right? So let's click on this, and when you click this one, you can see this brings results. So So what do you mean by one? So that means there is something, right? So that means Quora, right? So Quora is user generated content, right? So people asking questions, right? And people answering those questions. Good thing is, SEO wise, they are not really optimized, right? Of course, some people are answering, I mean, most of people who do SEO or internet marketing, they're actually trying to put some link into the answers and get some backlinks or get some links, so clicks to their offer, But this content, so user generated content, most of the time they are not optimized for SEO. And if I go back here, no, I will just go to my reports. Now you can see student laptop 33 results. So this one I did before, right? So DJ controller, I will show you. So this one has 0. There you go. I mean, there is no any user generated content. Okay, that's why it says 0. Let's go down, and this one. So you have to click this one. So like this. This doesn't cost you credits, right? It's okay to click that. So let's click this one. So this one maybe, this is the one I choose. Just click this one, just randomly. So you can see only, so I have 901 credits and it didn't get any credits from my account to do it, right? So there are 2. So that means Reddit and forums, right? So forums are typical user generated content. If you want, you can just copy this, or you can click this and then it goes out. So let's click that, and then you can see actual, so real-time results there, right? So Reddit is there, and where it says forums, there is a forum, right? But you don't have to go through. You can simply click this, and then you can see the whole SERP, right? And then you can see, and you can click on, and then you can go and see what people are talking about it, right? What kind of content they have for that keyword. So I know it will take so much resources, because example, there are 66 keywords, and if this tool automatically going, I mean every SERP automatically and check this, right? It is much better to see to see what are the keywords come up with user generated content. But I know this will take so much resources from server and a lot of stuff, right? So that's why you have to click on one by one, but I wish if we can see it right on. But the good thing is there are so much keywords this tool brings, and it is not really a pricey tool. This is my keyword chef review, and you just saw what keyword chef SEO tool can do for you. So it is designed for keyword research, and like I have shown in these videos, in this channel, you need to go for low competition keywords if you want to start from the beginning. So that's why I think keyword chef tool is good. And I also think if this keyword chef SEO tool, if this tool can analyze SERP in bulk, whether there are user generated content without checking one by one. I know it's going to cost more server resources and a lot of stuff, but if there is some credit system that I can just check the SERP in bulk, I think that will be really cool. That will be really make it more easier. So I'm a big fan of key search as well. So these are really budget friendly. I mean, you don't have to have a big budget to do your keyword research if you go for keyword chef or key search tool. So anyway, that's it, and see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe as well. So ciao.